Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to tell you an important thing that will change your life in the coming future if you want to avoid distractions in your life. So you have to do 2 to 3 things which will benefit you in the end. Number one, you must find the big cause of your life. Like if you have big goal and target and purpose of life, you can take your attention or you can be more concentrated on your goal above all things. Number two, you must do those things which are very beneficial, useful, and interesting and loving to you, like your favorite activities. That can be reading books, or listening to your mother or father, or even painting or drawing or anything like that. Number third, you must apply some useful punishment habits in your life. Like if you distract or if you're being diverted your attention, you must do something like you have to give money from your pocket and anything like that. If you are using a mobile phone and that is killing your time, so you must apply those punishments. So these are 3 things, I think. So if you apply these 3 things in your life, your distractions will be removed. I hope you've got my point. Thanks for watching me. I love you.